TCP here. What's up with PulseX? Surprise TCP. There's a bug in PulseX. Pulse is dumping. What's going on? Like, we're losing a lot of money. Stay calm. Stay calm. Always remember, people get made, rich people get made during the dump. Remember the COVID? Remember that time when the market crashed 80%? A lot of billionaires get made during that time where everybody were selling and scared. A lot of people made it, right? So what you need to understand from what I'm about to show you here, that what you need from what I'm about to show you here is that you need to stay calm. You need to have a strategy. If you don't have a strategy, you're gonna lose your shirt, man, in this game. Especially crypto. Crypto relies on two pillars: early access information. And if you want early access information, link in the description below, you can join my VIP Discord, right? Or what you need to have a lot of money. So early access information or a lot of money where you can access more resources to get early notification, which in return is basically early access information, right? And you need to act fast. If I want to add the third point, you need to act fast. Because if you stay and watch and observe, that's it. Opportunity gone, right? Now, why I'm saying you need to have a strategy, because sometimes the biggest opportunity lays, believe it or not, in the shittiest project, in the shittiest coin, right? You can make shit tons of money. So, without further ado, what's going on with PulseChain? What's going on with PulseX? Now, I'm going to show you the graph. What you're looking at right now is a graph that I shared with my private Discord members 3 days, probably 3-4 days ago. And I took every single, you see these lines? Every single line, and I told them, hey, PulseX is going to hit this, and I'm buying at that point, this point, that point, this much, that much. And you are free basically to copy my moves or not. At the end of the day, this is not a financial advice. Do your own due diligence. But I just want to show you a couple of things. A lot of people are hyped about PulseX, hyped about the launch, and boom, 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 boom. We went up, and then they start selling. This is normal. If you are a member, if you are a subscriber to my channel, you should know this. I mentioned it last year. I made, in fact, a video about it. If I found that video, I'm going to post it right here. I actually drew a line just like this. And I said to people, here's what the graphics will look like. Here's what the people going to buy. Here's what the people going to sell. And here's the perfect entry. So what you are witnessing, my friend, right now in front of you is the first buying opportunity. I call it the first initial buying opportunity. If you miss the sack prices, this is the best time to buy PulseX. You are basically getting PulseX, and watch. I said to my people that PulseX will hit 0.404, and when it do that, I'm gonna be buying and loading the boat. And guess what? It did hit. It did hit 4. In fact, it got lower than 4. It got actually lower than 0.404. It got 0.4038. And guess what, baby? I'm super happy because I love the boat. I'm super happy because my boat right now is so heavy, can't even sail, my man. I'm trying to think of opportunities so I can basically load a little bit of a PulseX out of my boat so I can sell right now. It's amazing. It's amazing. If you are a big believer of PulseX, this is what you want to see at initial launch. Because from now, I can assure you, my man, from now, it's going to be going up. Now, we may see another drop all the way to this level. Could happen. And at that time, gonna buy more. You guessed it. Now, but what we can also see is this. We can also see something like this from now on. You see that? And it's gonna go up, 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 up. Long story short, PulseX is something that you want to hold. We all are holders. We're not trader. If you are a trader, Like, I have a different materials for you. But if you are a holder, for somebody like me who wants to hold it for a minimum of 2 years, watch my previous videos on my channel. Minimum 2 years. You want to load the boat, my man, because when this one hits 1 cent and you are sitting at 1 bill PulseX, right? Go ahead and do the calculation. I'm not going to do the calculation for you because I've done it before. I actually showed people during one of my videos how much they will be making if they have a certain amount of PulseX and Pulse. It's a life-changing opportunity. If you don't believe me, you just throw like, a couple of extra $100. It's not gonna hurt you. If you're really in need of $100 right now, probably this is not the time for you or the material to watch or to buy or to get anything right now. You can use that $100, go buy grocery or whatever, the necessary things for you to live off. However, if you have an extra money, this is the best time to invest. PulseX bug. TCP, tell us what's going on with PulseX bug. Here's what I think of. A bug like this, skipping the production, it could happen. It happens sometimes. But it just shows that, again, there's been rush to launch it. Why? I don't know. However, it's something that can be fixed. And guess what? It's a lovely bug because we got 2 weeks where PulseX were burning 100%. What you're concerned about is the price action, is the market. If what the market is doing, basically, right? I don't care if this is PulseX or if it's Bitcoin. I have money. I want to make money. Show me what to buy at what price so I can make money out of. A lot of my private Discord members are being happy right now, and I believe when they are watching this video, they're gonna basically say, TCP told us about that. God damn! How would he know? Like, it's just experience. It's just experience with time, seeing a lot of things. You develop these things. Anyway, if you are enjoying watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video so a lot of people will understand what's going on and what's important and how to strategize. And if you want to learn more, join my private Discord. A lot of things. You got my signals like this one. You got my moves. You got early access information to projects like Amplifier, right? TCP here. I see you next week. Adios.